Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the VeChain targets updates with my customer set. Some good and the bad moments for this token. First one, good moment. Finally, we saw the signal take profit on a weekly time frame. So usually it's a good signal because after that we can consolidate some time periods and see the main signal or one and few signals to buy, like confirmation of the change of the trend. In our moment, it's a downtrend. So the signal take profit was on a weekly time frame in December. We grab liquidity of November 2020. It just mind blowing. And we are now inside 27 block. Unfortunately, guys, this block is white one. And we can't know where the price will stop, but it's possible to see the VeChain one more time, like, sell, drop, take profit, buy, bounce, and three rise pattern. We can drop even to the 0.201, sweep the low of COVID dump. Algorand, for example, already did that sweep. So that's why I hope we will not sweep that low, but everything possible. So you have to, keep in mind this scenario and work with the proper money management. So it's not like some crystal ball to check the price action, check the chart, and determine that this is a level where we never drop under this level. No, we can drop in. For example, this token can be delisted from exchanges and go to zero, like Cadena, for example. The fundamental, great, strong project. So everything possible, guys. Recent tokens, the Ghost and the NKN, just delisted. The tokens traded even on the Coinbase because for someone Coinbase is like wow, it's a special place. If the token listed on Coinbase is something special. No, the Coinbase one day I guess the list, if I'm right, the XRP. After that they listed back. So. All right, the most horrible scenario, guys, if we dump under 0.201. I hope we're going to hold the line around these levels where we're now, 0.2078, and I would like to double check with the take profit indicator, the buy line. So the targets, personally for me, still in play. If everything will be okay with the token, the top of the top for the VeChain can be 16 cents. This one. This is the most positive case scenario. In average, I guess would be good to close the 50% of this downtrend. So test the 5 cents. So we got like impulse and correction could be to 5. After that, we need to check the timing. Locally, I wish to see the 3 rise pattern, like 1, 2, and the 3 to 10 cents maybe. So the targets, guys, relevant. Just a matter of time when it will happen, if this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges. Still no signal take profit on the monthly. That's why keep in mind it's not so far from this low to this one. You see the over than 50% drop again because we didn't see the take profit signal on the monthly. So locally, of course, daily it's a lot of signals intraday trades here. In mind the potential, it's over than 79%. I hope it will not happen, but it's possible. Just keep in mind it. So trade on, I showed a local one, some positive moment, direction ADZ. It's accumulation on a daily. Price focus on the price to vote government proposal penny. Nothing special with the latest key moments and fundamental. This is accumulation on the daily since January 23. It's good one. On the daily, we formed the divergence. It's bullish. Weekly, it's bullish. Take a look on the history. We've never been in the biggest accumulation ever on the weekly time frame. But the problem is we can form the divergence. And after that, we can like climb it up higher on the ADZ and drop it to this level on the chart. So I hope it will not happen, but this is a time for okay zone for accumulation, of course. Now it's more than okay for accumulation. This token and accumulation even on a weekly time frame still here since middle of December. It's good. You can check on the history how it played out. Here was accumulation, but after that we formed the divergence, drop it to another low right? But we can't compare that Zone 26, for example, and Zone 22. It's so totally different years. So ADZ more bullish than bearish, personally, for me, based on this metrics. Market mood, definitely it's a capitulation. So also usually it's okay time to buy. Monthly time frame also the capitulation since September 75, so it's bullish. It's bullish. Anyway, here the 4 cents, the monthly gap should be closed sooner or later. So 4 cents is more than we'll see this year even. So we will see. Money power, guys. Money inflow finally won. December, January, February, 3 months. First time in history we see these signals on a monthly time frame. Weekly also, weekly, yes, since October. Here's the money in, here's the money in, here's a 2 weeks money in a row. It's bullish. Time to out will be with the money outflow. Last indicator, take profit, guys. We trade when way on the fundamental value. Fundamental value of the stock, and it's 1 cent 28. Take profit line is 3 cent 38. Exit line is 3 cents 8 with a weak candle. We can retest the 4 cents a monthly day value gap. So this is a local picture for VeChain, and looks like more than okay. Start accumulate this token if you believe in a VeChain. But guys, I repeat again, only if this token will be still exist in centralized exchanges and will be not delisted. Locally, we already retested and now sit at the buy line. So for the value of the stock in 0.02055 on a daily, take profit line 1 cent 48. Let's add alert to take profit line on a daily. So it's going to be the zone of fixation if you want to take a trade now, 90% profit. With the second leverage, this could be like 180. So guys, write please in a comment what you think about VeChain. All targets I showed on the updates, what my indicator shows now. If you like to trade with my customer indicator set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.